Hey everyone! Copying and pasting the same text repeatedly is frustrating and time-consuming. Searching for old snippets, retyping responses, and formatting text manually slows productivity. CopyClipper is an AI-powered clipboard manager designed to store, organize, and retrieve text snippets effortlessly. It enhances copied text, extracts content from images, and streamlines workflows. This tool is ideal for freelancers, marketers, and consultants who handle large amounts of text daily. With seamless integration across macOS and iOS devices, CopyClipper ensures instant access to saved snippets, improving efficiency and accuracy. Say goodbye to repetitive tasks and boost productivity with this powerful clipboard management solution. What is CopyClipper? CopyClipper is an AI-powered clipboard manager that simplifies storing, organizing, and retrieving text snippets across macOS and iOS devices. It enhances efficiency by allowing users to save frequently used text, modify content with AI, and extract text from images and PDFs. Designed for freelancers, marketers, and professionals, CopyClipper eliminates the hassle of repetitive copying and pasting. It provides an intuitive interface for quick access to saved snippets, reducing manual effort and improving workflow. With seamless integration and AI-driven features, this tool helps users manage text effortlessly, boosting productivity and accuracy in daily tasks. Limited-time lifetime deals on appsumo. Grab yours today. Alright, let's talk about the deal, because this is where things get really exciting. Normally, CopyClipper would cost you $99, but thanks to appsumo, you can grab it for just $29. That's a one-time payment for lifetime access. Yep, no subscriptions, no hidden fees, just pay once and own it forever. Here's what you get with this deal. Unlimited clipboards, organize text like a pro. Unlimited text snippets, save as many as you want. Unlimited monthly OCR scans, extract text from images and PDFs. Unlimited AI modifications, make instant text changes. Device-wide copy history, never lose a copied text again. And of course, you get all future updates for free. Plus, there's a 60-day money-back guarantee. So if it's not for you, no worries, just get a full refund. Hit the link in the description and grab your deal before it's gone. 5 killer features that make CopyClipper special. Smart clipboards. Create labeled clipboards to organize everything by projects, tasks, or personal use. One-click copy. With CopyClipper, you can copy text instantly with one click and get back to work faster than ever. Extract text from images and PDFs. Instantly extract and convert text from images, PDFs, and videos into editable content, eliminating manual retyping effortlessly. Seamless integration across devices. Whether you're using macOS, iOS, or visionOS, your clipboard history is synced across all devices. GDPR compliant and privacy focused. CopyClipper follows strict GDPR standards to ensure your information is protected. Who can benefit from CopyClipper? Freelancers, marketers, consultants, developers, writers, customer support teams, project managers. If you use text at all in your daily workflow, CopyClipper will save you hours of work. Your chance for 10% extra savings at appsumo. Thinking about grabbing the CopyClipper lifetime deal? Well, here's a pro tip. You can snag an extra 10% off your purchase. Just follow these simple steps. Visit the CopyClipper lifetime deal on appsumo. Look out for a discount pop-up bar. Enter an active email address. Use the same email to complete your purchase. Check your email for a 10% off promo code. That's even more savings on top of the already discounted price. What are people saying about CopyClipper? Are you still waiting? Don't miss out. Stop wasting time with manual copying, retyping, and formatting. CopyClipper is here to save your sanity and boost your workflow. Check the link in the description, explore the features, and grab your CopyClipper lifetime deal before it's gone. Upgrade your tech game. Tap like, spread the word, and subscribe to stay updated on the best software deals.